here is how we can block the App Store on the iPad. So let me show you how it works. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tips and videos like this one. So of course, it's all going to happen inside of the settings. So we're going to head there. And the section we need to find is the screen time. Part of this, you can obviously browse the data and usage and all of that, but we are interested in the content and privacy restrictions, which has its own dedicated menu right here. So enable it with the toggle at the top, and then proceed to the first menu, which is titled iTunes and App Store. So you can get inside, and in here, it's important to pick the right thing, because most importantly, you just want to limit installing apps, because you have the installing apps menu, and you can either allow or don't allow, which means that you essentially, when you click on don't allow, no app will be able to be installed on the iPad. And that's like the main point of the App Store. So you are like blocking the App Store in it that way. So that would be the first way to do it. But even if you click on the allowed apps and features below, you can see that you have more things which you can limit in here since we are already part of this. So yeah, but the App Store is likely going to disappear when you click on the don't allow for installing apps, and it's likely going to be gone until you turn off these restrictions. You can as well lock them by clicking the lock screen time settings and set up a distinct passcode just for these settings. So that is how it would work. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find it and set up the iPad according to your wishes and preferences. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.